Okay, so here we go. We're going to create a blog post and then add a video in the blog post. All right, so for example, inside your WordPress dashboard, gonna add post there. Okay, and then let's have a title. Now I have already an article created in my chat GPT, so just copy this one. Okay, and then add here. That's the article we have created. I get the title there and then put it in the title, add title. Okay, and this one just delete that one. Oops, doesn't work, so let's just make this one paragraph. Okay, and then alright, so here is our article created in our dashboard. So let's save that as draft for now. Okay, so we have already an article there. Okay, welcome to Talat Bay, your place to explore the exciting world of blogging. Alright, so if you're gonna check this one, to view this post, you can preview it. Okay, so that's it. There is no featured image. Now let's make a featured image for this one. So set a featured image. Okay, and I would like to upload that featured image here. Okay, there you go. And then upon uploading, let's just wait for a while, and then set featured image. Alright, so we need to update. Okay, alright, we haven't published yet, so let's try to publish it. Publish. Okay, and then view post. Alright, so this is my article. Okay, now what if I want to add a video? For example, I want to add a video somewhere here, okay, before your free blog can become an income opportunity. So before this title, I wanna add a video here. Okay, so I'm going to go and edit post. Alright, and okay, here, your free blog can become an income opportunity. So I would like to add here, so click on add there, add blog, and then just click on browse. Let's just search for video. Okay, and then go to YouTube embed. Okay, YouTube, just click in there. Okay, alright, so this is now your, if you click on that, this one will come out in the body of your blog. Okay, so enter URL to embed here. So you're gonna go to your YouTube account. Okay, so this is my video, right, in my channel. Okay, so for example, you want to go to your channel, just go view your channel there. Okay, and then for example, this is the video that you want to
Welcome to Talat Bay,
upload.
your place to explore
Okay,
the
it's now
exciting
playing.
world of...
Alright, it's playing already. Okay, so this is the video, right? So you can get the link from here on top. Just highlight that, highlight, and then copy. There you go. Highlight and then copy, and then go back to your post. Okay, and then here enter your URL to embed here. So right click and then paste. Okay, so this is the link coming from your YouTube video, and then click embed on the side, embed there, and there you go. That's already the video. Now save it, make sure you save it. Okay, and then actually you can resize the size of this video. You can go and resize on the edges. Okay, resize it from here, but I will leave it this way, no resizing. Okay, so view post now, click on view post, and this is now the article that we made. Right, and then this is the, and this is now the video. See, it's simple, easy. Just click there.
Welcome to Talat Bay, your place to
Okay.
explore the exciting world of blogging. Visit us
Right.
anytime at
So that's the video that we have
talatbay.blogspot.com.
embedded. Okay, so that's it on how to insert video in your blog post. Bye bye.